Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you all? Today we are going to make Russian salad. But before starting to make Russian salad, let's get into the brief history of the salad. So in Russia, Russian salad is called ensalada rusa. It's also called Olivier salad because Lucien Olivier invented it in 1860s for a restaurant at Moscow. It's also popular in Poland and Polish people calls it saladka jazinova. Russian salad is a mixed salad with a modifiable recipe. It contains two steps, a sauce and other ingredients. Other ingredients must contain carbs and protein. You can use whatever you want which is available in your kitchen, whether it's raw vegetables, fruits, boiled veggies, lentils, pasta, spaghetti, green vegetables, or proteins like chicken, boiled eggs, etc. etc. So today I'm making it with the ingredients which is available in my kitchen right now. So now let's start the recipe with the making of dressing. For dressing I am using yogurt, Thousand Island dressing, mayonnaise, and for spices I am using peppers, crushed red chilies and salt. Taste of the Russian salad dressing must be piquant and tangy, so you can use whatever you want. For example, you can use ketchup, cream, sour cream, cream cheese, etc. etc. depending on the availability of ingredients in your kitchen. Now let's give it a good mix and it's time to put other ingredients. Now for other ingredients the case is all the same. You can put all the ingredients or any ingredients whatever is available in your kitchen right at the moment. I've mentioned all the ingredients you can put earlier in the video. I'm using sweet corns, raw onions, apples, and green cabbage. Now we'll give it a good mix and you can use it as a side dish for any dish, or you can eat it as a whole. And voila, our Russian salad is ready. Hope you like the decoding of this recipe. This channel is all about making cooking easy as heck, even for those people like me who can't cook or don't like to cook. And if I forget to tell anything, please do mention in comment. This will help a lot. For more such videos, kindly subscribe to the channel. Until then, take care.